I just made it to my second delivery of the day up in the beautiful mountains. And this would be Idyllwild, Pinecrest area. I have just a couple pallets to deliver. Customer's not here, wants it dropped off in the driveway. These driveways are pretty gnarly. The one straight ahead of me in the camera is steep, but nothing terrible. But the one behind me, that thing goes way downhill. And so when you're delivering on hills with your load, or sometimes even driving if it gets too nuts, you gotta back down so you don't flip forward. So I haven't looked at this yet, but he wants it down all the way at the end of the driveway on the left. So let's see if this is even possible. What do we got? Oh, this is nothing. It doesn't even go down to the house. Alright, well, regardless, it does have a little bit of a steep incline. And it's so hard to judge how steep your hills are in here because you don't know what level is when you're on a mountain. So I'm still going to back down, which definitely was a good idea because it is definitely an incline. It doesn't look like it, but it is. Well, this turned into a super easy delivery, so that's awesome. So this is, he's got room to park like 2 cars here, then about 50 steps down to his front door. He's got to climb down to the house, to the or I guess you'd call it a cabin up here. These are all really cool spots up here. I'll show you. They even got their lumber for their fires for the winter, or for the heating. There the house is down there. I'm basically at the level of the roof. But pretty cool. So I just gotta snag one more pallet, and it's only got a little tiny bundle of 10-foot rebar. Now the only other problem is I gotta figure out where I can turn around or if I gotta back out of here because it was pretty tight coming up. And I don't know if this road comes to an end yet. I gotta get on GPS as soon as I get back in the truck and figure out my exit plan. But on these roads, sometimes there's dips and stuff, and you know, normally you tighten your Moffett down or drop it before you travel. Sometimes up here, I'll keep my Moffett, if I have to back up, I'll keep my Moffett all the way lifted, so when I'm backing up through the dips, my back tire doesn't get me caught, because that can't happen. So I'll keep it all the way up, back down to where I'm on level ground, and then jump out and then drop my Moffett down for travel. So that's something if you're new to keep in mind. You're not used to hills or mountainous roads. So I am going to drop this pallet. I'm not even going to bother doing this again with the rebar. I'm going to just get carried over here by hand. Just tucked in a little better. There we go. Well, that turned out to be way easier than I thought. So that's 2 good deliveries to start the day here, and then all the rest of the day is down the hill. So anytime I get a good day up here, it means the whole rest of the day isn't going to be so bad, because these are the most challenging deliveries we have out here, or they can be, I guess. that's it for my Idyllwild pine crest delivery. Now see what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise my forklift all the way up. I'm not going to lower this thing back down after the chains are set. So I'll show you. See, I'm going to leave it tilted up like that until I get back on flat ground. So I got to find an exit out of here, but I hope you guys are having a good day, good as I am. And like and subscribe if you want to hear more videos like this, and send me a comment. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.